Good morning, everyone. True Zero Emissions here. Okay, so I just said that I was going to try to focus more on things that were really important and not video at the same time, but I also want to get better at videoing and doing important things at the same time, so I'm going to try it right now. That is, I'm doing a test right now. We're going to see what the voltage is coming out of this, and I just dropped the meter. Luckily, this was connected. Well, I don't know if it's luckily or not. The meter fell and was hanging, and it pulled this really hard. I hope it didn't damage that. I do have another one of these. I have 3 more. These come in sets of 2, and I bought 4 of them. So I bought 2 orders, which has 4 of these. Each order has 2 of these. So if it is damaged, I'll just change it to another one. Okay, so why are the lights not hooked up right now? Because I have to make sure the voltage is correct. So right now we have 82 volts. That's what I measured earlier, going to those lights. That is now reconnected. Right there. That's reconnected now. And that means when I turn the lights on, there will be power going there. Approximately just over 82 volts. I think it was 82.3 volts. Okay, so this is connected to our power source right now. So when I turn the lights on, when I turn on the scooter and I turn on the lights, we'll have power going to this. I have to, now I don't want to have the lights connected, the Chinese LEDs connected right now, because if the voltage is too high, it can burn the lights out, right? We can damage the lights. I don't want to do that. I don't want to burn the diodes out. Those are light emitting diodes, right? If I understand correctly. So I'm going to set the voltage first, and then we can plug that in later. So right now we're showing 0 volts. And I think we're ready to power the scooter up. Let me just double check everything again. So let's see. This is the negative. And let me look underneath here and make sure that that's the right side. Yes, negative on this side, positive on the other side. What I didn't do is double check to make sure that that really is a negative before I plugged it into this. Excuse me. But I'm going to go ahead and run the test anyway, because I checked other things so many times it should be correct. But I did notice that when I make a mistake once, it's easy to keep repeating it and think I'm doing something correctly when I'm actually just repeating the incorrect way of doing it. That happens sometimes. Okay, so let's see what this voltmeter reads when I turn on the power. Let's go ahead and power up the scooter. Okay, we're going to power up the scooter right now. Okay, because I had the lights on the last time I was running the scooter, they're on now. So it kept the lights on for me. Oh, look where we are. Very nice. 23.5 volts. Wow, that's bright, and I feel the heat coming off those lights. So those were already there. That's the lights that comes with the scooter. Very good lights. I would say the best, or among the best. I think the best. I think it's safe to say it's the best. Excuse me. Let me go ahead and go in here and make some adjustments to the power. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. So I'm going clockwise, is increasing the power. So we'll go to 24 volts exactly. As close as I can get, right? We'll get it close. Okay, now I'm very interested in how that voltage may go down, if it does go down, as the battery in the scooter goes down in voltage, because right now the main battery is at 84 volts. Oh, we got it right at 24 for a second. The main battery at 84 volts, or closer to 83 volts right now. It'll go down. The voltage cutoff for this scooter, when it's the programming on the display, it says to turn the scooter off if the battery ever goes down to 58 volts. So trying to turn this a little bit more. And then I also would like to know the voltage range of the tiny LEDs, because it says 24 volts, but how low can the voltage go before the lights will not function properly, right? Now the lights you're seeing now is just the regular running lights for the scooter. When I plug these in, when I plug this into the output side where the meter is, that's when we'll have lights there. So I wanted to set this first, and we are set. We're at 24.11 volts. And the next video will be us testing the lights. Great. Yeah, there's a lot of wires here. I don't know if I like that. I may like it. I don't know. I'll have to decide if I like that or not. Looks interesting. A little red there. We'll see. We'll see how that is. I can also cover that too. Okay, see you in the next video, everyone. See you soon.